in my car.
Do it.
Step out of the car.
Do it.
Step out of the car.
Okay.
Step out of the car. Don't you fucking kick me, bitch!
Grab that hand. I need another hand. Come on. I need another hand. I got that, Mike. I got that. You got it. Yep. Okay, here we go.
111, 110.
Hi there.
Hi.
You know why I stopped you?
No.
When you turned on to Alexander from McKee, you went right through the stop sign.
In the early morning of August 5, 2024, at approximately 3:35 a.m., Fort Wayne police officer M. Wills spotted Tijana Smith, 29, running a stop sign and speeding. Upon investigation, police discovered that Smith had an active warrant for driving on a suspended license and for refusing to comply with previous police orders.
Step up. That's not how this works. Step out of the car.
You just pull me over.
Step out of the car.
Reason.
Step out of the car.
No.
Yes. Listen, this is going to go a couple ways, okay? You can either listen, we can do this easy, or...
Right, but okay, so let me see me running the stop sign. You got your cam on, right?
We have cameras, yes.
Okay, so let me see it.
No, I'm not showing you the
Well,
camera.
I'm about to call my lawyer.
No.
The officers requested that Smith exit the vehicle, but she refused to comply. After several attempts to persuade her to cooperate voluntarily, the situation escalated as Smith remained defiant and refused to leave the car. The officers were forced to use stronger measures to pull her from the vehicle as she actively resisted.
Do it.
Step out of the car.
Do it.
Step out of the car.
Okay.
Step out of the car. Don't you fucking kick me, bitch!
While attempting to remove Smith from the vehicle, she physically resisted, prompting the officers to use force to gain control. Eventually, Smith was arrested and faced charges for resisting arrest and assaulting an officer, alongside additional charges related to driving on a suspended license.
They got some hands. Lift your hands up.
Stop!
You're so bitch. Everything recorded, you dumb fuck. And you just punched me in my face.
Yeah, you kicked me!
Bitch, cause you hit me. And you pulled my fucking wig off.
It ain't take
Stay back!
I
don't have this one, no.
I know it ain't take two of y'all, bro. I know it ain't take two of y'all, bro.
Stop!
No.
Stop!
That shit, bro.
Bitch, my
I've been
arm
watching
hurts.
y'all.
Following the incident, Police Chief Scott Caudle ordered an official investigation to ensure that all police protocols and regulations were followed. Every action by the officers involved in the arrest would be thoroughly reviewed during the investigation.
Step out of the car.
Do it.
Step out of the car.
Okay.
Step out of the car. Don't you fucking kick me, bitch! Don't fucking kick me! Put your hands behind your hands! Put your hands behind your back! Give me your fucking hands! Give me your fucking hands! There's a 15. Give me your hands!
I'm gonna spray real quick.
Give me your hands! You're getting pepper sprayed!
This incident drew heightened attention as Officer Wills, who conducted the arrest, had been under public scrutiny following a prior incident in June, where he fatally shot 22-year-old Lindsay Parham. Wills had been placed on administrative leave after the shooting, and the investigation into his actions in Parham's death was still ongoing.
Go on,
Little do y'all know I'm fucking one of y'all cops, bitch. You done. Done.
Should have listened.
Yeah, you good.
You should have just listened. All right, it's over.
One of y'all, so
It's over.
With. Get my phone!
Come over here.
Get my phone!
Sit in the car. Sit down.
On an unspecified date in Micanopy, Florida, Deputy Sean McGuigan spotted a yellow Chevy Suburban running a stop sign on I-75 and County Road 234. The suspect, later identified as Richardson, not only ignored the stop sign, but also veered into oncoming traffic. When Deputy McGuigan activated his lights and sirens, Richardson immediately fled, marking the start of a high-speed chase.
He's in the wrong lane of traffic. Through the median.
The chase began in the parking lot of Calf Risk and extended through County Road 234. Richardson drove recklessly, even throwing a can of alcohol out of the window. On Highway 441, he sped up to 100 m through a construction zone, driving in the wrong lane before returning to the correct side. Richardson taunted Deputy McGuigan by giving him the middle finger while attempting to escape.
I told him, he ran me, he's running back northbound.
Deputy McGuigan attempted multiple PIT maneuvers to stop Richardson when the speed decreased, but Richardson continued to evade arrest. Finally, McGuigan successfully performed a PIT maneuver, causing Richardson's vehicle to spin out on the median. However, Richardson continued driving, intentionally ramming into the police vehicle at least twice as he turned back north on Highway 441. Deputy Dasher, along with assistance from the Florida Highway Patrol, FHP Deputy Brian Jones and Deputy Jasper Stevenson, joined the pursuit. Deputy Stevenson executed another PIT maneuver as the chase progressed to Choloca Boulevard and back south on Highway 441. This time, the PIT maneuver was successful, causing Richardson's vehicle to lose control.
Yes. He's on the inside lane now. Back on the outside lane.
Although Richardson's vehicle was disabled, he still attempted to drive away. However, FHP, along with Deputies Jones and Stevenson, pinned his vehicle to prevent further escape. Richardson was arrested at the scene without further incident. A further investigation revealed that Richardson was also a suspect in a similar incident in Marion County earlier that day. He now faces multiple charges, including fleeing and eluding law enforcement and aggravated assault on law enforcement officers.
Are y'all from around here? Yeah. Yeah? You just need, just kind of between places and staying out here? Have you stayed here before? No. Okay. Man, you got an ID on you by any chance? No. No? What's your name, partner?
Last week in Tulsa, Oklahoma, police released body cam footage showing a tense moment when John Terry Chapman, Jr., 34, fired at officers in the Quick Trip parking lot. Chapman, who had a prior felony record, was shot during the altercation with law enforcement, marking a dangerous escalation in the standoff.
What's up, girl? Where's your man at? He's inside? Well, whose car is that?
My mom's. I know it has her wrong tag on it.
Yeah, it's got the wrong tag on it.
Yeah, it's her Escape. She just got 2 different cars.
Okay, all right. You got your ID with you?
You're not the first person that's...
Yeah.
According to the footage, Chapman possessed a .32 caliber revolver despite his prior felony conviction, which prohibited him from owning firearms. During the confrontation, Chapman opened fire on Tulsa police officers as they attempted to subdue him. This led to a tense shootout at the scene.
The door for me?
It was actually me driving, and I just had to pull up the picture.
Okay. What's up, partner? What's your name, man?
After firing his weapon, Chapman was shot and quickly subdued by the officers. Despite his injuries, Chapman was arrested and promptly taken to a medical facility for treatment. Evidence collected at the scene included the revolver and bullets used by Chapman during the attack.
Entering 102, give me their number.
Con, what you got?
4950 South Harbor, it's a quick trip.
What's that? Get him! Get him!
It's 0.
I don't see him!
I don't.
Shortly after the incident, a federal grand jury issued serious indictments against Chapman, including charges of felon in possession of a firearm and ammunition, obstruction of justice by attempting to kill a Tulsa police officer, and carrying, using, and discharging a firearm during and in relation to a violent crime. These charges reflect the gravity of the incident and Chapman's dangerous actions.
Grab that hand. I need another hand. Come up. I need another hand. I got that, Mike. You got it. Yep. Check. Here we go.
Chapman is currently facing multiple serious charges from the federal grand jury. The case is still under investigation, and Chapman could face significant prison time for his actions. The body cam footage provided critical evidence for the case and helped clarify the dangerous events at the scene.
You're gonna be okay, bro. Okay. You'll be okay.
Go find Con for me, please.
Let's get him from you. Want to get him from
I got good shit. I got it.
Got one in the back of the neck.
You guys okay? Mike, you're involved? Yeah. Okay, stand by. One in there. Hey, Brian? Yeah. You want to take them away? You all right? Yeah. Hey, Brian, I think once they're out of the scene, camera's off.
Let's go with you.